Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete Instagram search suggestions when typing. But before that, make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, first thing first, open up your Instagram app over here, then navigate to this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now from over here, simply go ahead, tap on this little 3 horizontal line on top right corner over here. From this section, you're going to go to the your activity section right over here, and from the your activity, you're going to go to this option of recent searches, and then you're going to tap on this clear all and tap on clear all right over here. Once you do that, when you go to search bar right over here and go to this search icon, when you go to your search bar afterwards, when you have cleared all of the searches, that's what you have to do. When you have a lots of piled up, go ahead, go to the settings and privacy and your activity and delete them all. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.